Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Um, Good morning, everyone. My name is Haikal Al-Ghifari. I'm from class PBIB. In these opportunities, I would like to present my research proposal and until the correlation between student self-regulated learning strategy, writing anxiety, and writing skill among 11th grade student of a senior high school in Palembang. So, the introduce background of the study. Writing is an important skill in the learning English. Students often face the difficulties in the grammar, vocabulary, organizing ideas, and developing paragraph. So, psychological factor also influence writing performance. Two important factor, one self-regulated learning strategy and writing anxiety. Writing is one of important in English learning because students use writing to express ideas and communicate information. However, many students still experience difficulties in writing such as grammar, vocabulary, and organizing ideas. So next, writing problem. Problem in writing. Students commonly experience a lack of vocabulary mastery, difficulties organizing ideas, fear of making mistake, or low confidence in writing, anxiety during writing tasks. So as the result, students avoided writing activities, writing performance, and becomes lower. Writing problems. There are several problems faced by students in writing. First, linguistic problems such as limit vocabulary and grammar mistake. Second, psychology problem like low confidence and fear of making mistake. And third, or the last of the writing problem, learning problem relate to inflective learning strategy. Next, self-regulated learning strategy and writing anxiety. This is the variable. Self-regulated learning strategy refer to student ability to manage their own learning process. Student plan, monitor, and evaluate their learning independently. This strategy can help the student improve their writing performance. So the next are have a writing anxiety. Writing anxiety is the student feeling of nervousness and fear during writing activities. Students who have high anxiety usually avoid writing tasks and have difficulties expressing ideas clearly. So self-regulated learning strategy refer to student ability to planning learning activities, monitor the progress, and evaluate learning outcomes, and control motivation and behaviors. Component have a planning strategy, monitoring strategy, evaluating strategy, and cognitive strategy, motivationals. So the writing anxiety is the feeling of the fear, tension, and worry during writing activities. Types of the writing anxiety have three: cognitive anxiety, semantic anxiety, and avoidant behaviors. The effect: fear of the negative evaluating, nervousness while writing, avoiding writing tasks. So next, have a writing skill. The writing skill. So the writing skill. A writing skill is the student ability to express the ideas effectively in writing English. The component have a content, organization, vocabulary, grammar, and mechanize. Good writing requires critical thinking, component organization, and appropriate language use. Um, so next, have a previous study and research gap. A previous study from the Nugraini and Akria 2025 is SRLES positively correlated with the writing skill. Purnianis 20 2018 writing anxiety negative effective writing performance, and Raswan Anwati 2021 a student with high anxiety had lower writing achievement. And Fitri and the last Fitri 2019 self-regulated learning improved student writing ability. So the research gap of previous studies mostly focus on the SRLS and writing skill only, or writing anxiety and writing performance only. Gap found there is still limited research investigating self-regulate learning strategy, writing anxiety, and writing skill simultaneously among senior high school students in Indonesia. So next, have a research question. In this study, there are the three research questions. The first, wherever there is the correlation between SRTLS and writing skill. The second, whether writing anxiety correlates with the writing skill and trait. And the last, whether all variables have a simultaneous correlation. So the research objective, the objective of this study are to identify the relationship between SRTLS and writing skill, writing anxiety, and writing anxiety and writing skill, and also simulation relationship among all variable. Okay, next, hypothesis. This research, there are the three hypotheses. The first hypothesis states that SRTLs positively correlates with the writing skill, and the second hypothesis states that writing anxiety negatively correlates with the writing skill. So next, research method. The research used quantitative method with the correlation design because the study aimed to identify the relationship among variable statistically. Okay, next, variable. In this study, there are two independent variables, namely SRTLS and writing anxiety, and one independent variable, which is the writing skill. The population ensemble. The population of the research consists of 252 11th grade students from two schools in the Palembang. School in Palembang is senior high school Azharia and senior high school Darul Aitam. The sample consists of the 100 to 6 to 100 to 6 26 students selected through cluster random sampling. So next, the research instrument. The research instrument, the instrument used in this study are questionnaire from SRTLS and writing anxiety, and writing test to measure student writing skill. Next, validity and reliability. To ensure the quality of the instrument, validity and reliability tests were conducted using SPSS version 27. Next, the data will be analyzing use descriptive statistic, normality test, and person correlation and multiple correlation analysis. So the conclusion, writing skill is an important aspect of English learning that can be influenced by both cognitive and activative factors, self-regulated learning strategy or SRELs, help the student manage and control their learning process through planning, monitoring, and evaluating their writing activities effectively. On the other hand, writing anxiety may negatively affect student ability to express ideas clearly and confidently in writing tasks. Okay, guys, thank you. From me, I'm so sorry if I mistake. So, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.